doing the Pop-Tart S'mores challenge. I never tried these before, that's why I'm doing it. It looks pretty good on the first side, but yeah, so don't judge because I never tried it. So subscribe, like, and comment. So here are the pictures and stuff of the chapters. It says, what are you watching? Pop-Tart unfolding or whatever. Video, is this for a good cause? Yes, you're helping fight hunger. So look at the pictures. And do you see, it says, if you can't see that, it said Dunk Tank. Oh, hold on. Yeah, it say Dunk Tank, but it has a toaster here, like it's water or something. He's up here, try to throw it there. So let's get on to this video. Back from the ShopRite store or whatever we came from. It was, I don't know. So let's open it. Let me see it. Oh, I missed the whole Pop-Tart. Okay, so I opened it all the way, and some guests just came in, Keith and Rashid, but he don't have no clothes, like he only have a pamper on, so let's get one out. So here it is, and it says, ooh, yum. I think I just heard a toaster we can plug in. Enjoy the foil. It's on us. Him. And I don't know what the rest say down here. Can you see some little words or something? But let's open it. Do I need to put it or something? It pretty stinks, but it stinks a little bit, but yeah, he's back. Bye, Diddin. Bye, Diddin. Look at him. Look at him. Okay, so here it is now. I think it's July the 30th, right? So let's try it. Get up here. Can you get up? What happened to your lip? Let me see. Wait. Coming down. Pretty good, pretty good. Oh my goodness, it's good! Let me see your lip. Where are the s'mores? Oh, cookies. Chocolate part? But where's the s'mores? Well, I see the little chocolate in there. This is got it! A s'more marshmallow! Oh my god, I seriously never tasted it before. Guys, pretend that never happened. Just a crazy feeling. What'd you say? I'll buy it. What'd you say? Say thank you. Thank you. He's so cute. I don't want it. You don't want it? Yeah. I don't want it. I found it. What if I could crack it open to see all the flavors? Hope you guys like this video for some thumbs up, and comment down below if you tasted this before. So, bye. Peace out.